Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope so you all are fine and paying much attention to your online lectures. Today's our topic is the states of equilibrium. Students, there are three states of equilibrium. Their names are number one, stable equilibrium, unstable equilibrium, and neutral equilibrium. Firstly, we will discuss stable equilibrium. And the definition of stable equilibrium is that the body will be in stable equilibrium if after a slight tilt, the body returns to its previous position or its initial position. That is the stable equilibrium. Let us have an example of a block which is placed on a table and shown on your screens. If we tilt the block, its center of gravity G rises up, and if the vertical line from its center of gravity G passes through the base area of the block, then the block will return to its initial position, original position, when we remove the force. Students, if the vertical line from the center of gravity G get out of its base area, then the block will not return to its previous position. I think you noticed that to get or to achieve stable equilibrium, the vertical line should passes through the base area. Otherwise, the body will not be in stable equilibrium. One thing you should understand that in stable equilibrium, the center of gravity of a body always lies at lowest possible position. So to stabilize any object, student, we lower the center of gravity of any object like high speed car. Now is the second state of equilibrium, that is unstable equilibrium. And the definition of unstable equilibrium is a body will be in state of unstable equilibrium if after a slight tilt it does not return to its original position or previous position. Let us have an example of a pencil balanced at its tip. Try to keep it in a vertical position on its tip, but when you leave the pencil, it topple over about its tip and fall down. It does not return to its original position because the line from its center of gravity G get out of the base area, and that is the main reason I already taught in last state of equilibrium. And the most important thing is that in unstable equilibrium, the center of gravity of a body always lies at maximum or at highest possible position. Now it's time to discuss third state of equilibrium, that is the neutral equilibrium. And the definition of neutral equilibrium is that the body will be in neutral equilibrium if it remains in its new position when disturbed from the previous position. Let us have an example of a ball. Put a ball on the floor and disturb it, it goes to the new position, but its center of gravity G remains at the same position. It means the ball is in neutral equilibrium. Students, notice it please. In neutral equilibrium, the center of gravity of a body always remain at the same height. It means the center of gravity does not change its height in neutral equilibrium. Our topic has been completed. Stay in touch with your online lectures. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.